preaching in the UK, and we try to promote the message of peace and love for all and hatred for none. And we get shocked when there's these events of terrorism and extremism, and we feel it's our responsibility to stand up and to say that this is wrong and to spread the correct message of Islam. And we do that by telling people in the public. So we ran a bus campaign here called United Against Extremism to tell people that this is not what Islam is about. We are about spreading the message of peace. And then again, when there was a terrible incident in Paris, we wanted to stand united with the French. There's many French Muslims, so we held a vigil, and we had the police commissioner, community, the leaders from the church come along, and together we prayed for the victims in France to show again this is not who we are and it's not what we represent. So we try very much to communicate to other Muslims that this isn't the true teachings, and to spread to others that we need to stand united against these acts of terrorism because it's not acceptable, and that's what we do. And then this is just images of some of the courses that we have. This is just images of other events that we have. So today the event will officially start with the hoisting of the flags. So outside you will see flags from many countries. Each flag represents a nation from citizens that have arrived here. So we represent everybody that has came. And the two main flags are the Union Jack and the Ahmadiyya flag. And these will be hoisted at 4 o'clock, and that officially symbolises the opening of the event. And this event is a spiritually uplifting event. It happens once a year, and it's an opportunity for everybody to come together and to become spiritually enriched, and also to meet friends and family throughout the world. And on peak, it's about 35,000 people that arrive each day. And they come from all over. So the main message is about spiritual enlightenment and about peace. So this year in particular, we're focusing on global peace and justice. And our motto is love for all, hatred for none. And you will see this is a banner that we have, and it's throughout everywhere. And that's what we try to promote to all our members.
How many of you are here then?
20.
20?
So these are events that happen.
And are you staying for the whole of the event?
Yes.
Okay.
How
are you finding? Is it your first time in the UK, or have you been here before?
It's very impressive on the organization and everything.
It's raining. You would have enjoyed it in the sun.
And one is charity.
So you're doing this for a very long time?
Oh yeah, this is the 51st annual convention in the UK. The convention itself is about 120 years old.
120 years old?
More than that now. 125, 128 years.
Oh, the event itself?
Yeah. So it started in a town called Kalyan. So he's the founder of the community. He was in 1889. He started the movement, and the first convention was in 1890.
So the first convention 1889, but where is it held?
1891.
Oh, 1891.
In India.
Oh, in India?
Oh, yeah.
125 years.
Well, I don't know. You do the math.
1891.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I'm going to take a picture of that.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the history is very sort of rich and we know it. Yeah. So I mean, this is just a highlight of what social media work we do. So this is on social media right now. It's on Periscope on Twitter. So,
but it doesn't rain every year. This time, do you have it at the same time every year?
Well, end of July, due to Ramadan, the fasting month, we had to move it to August for a few years. But now it's back end of July, the last weekend of July.
Always last weekend of July.
Yeah. So the gentleman in the front, who is he? Is he like a?
He's like a Buddhist monk,
Okay.
and he's been a Buddhist monk since 1981. I'm sorry, 1981. And the headquarters is in Orange County, and we teach exercise for all the people that to improve their health. And then
okay.
meditation and Tai Chi and Qigong and you know, the Buddhist, the Dharma teachings of the Buddhist.
Okay. And is it like more a conservative strain of Buddhism, or are you?
It's like very integrated, so that they can use it for everyday living instead of just, you know, by the books and stuff. Yeah, so this way, he just finished teaching in Germany.
Okay.
Teaching meditation and exercise and stuff, and then he come down here, and then he go to Hungary afterwards.
Hungry?
So yeah, so we have like disciples, all those people, like France, Germany, Hungary.
Right. Okay. So it's like quite a widespread movement.
Yes.
And is it all based on meditation and physical exercise? Or?
Yeah, it's like in order to sit still to meditate, you have to have your body very, you know, sound and stuff, and very strong and not things. So we have to like, that's like your base, the roots, you know, the base.
Also, I like the energy. You know, you were walking and you were very sort of energetic. That means you're quite healthy.
It's very exciting. Yeah. It's very exciting. All of us is like the first time in London, and it's the first time.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
And what's your name again?
My name is, I don't have a card. I am with the press and media team here. My name is Lutf, L-U-T-F. So, I have your card. I have multiple cards. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, we're just wondering, you know, what is this and stuff, and his
Yeah, thanks.
Those two there, they're also still trying. They're doing the book that pop on